From the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Welcome to MultiGP News. The Southeast Regional Final closed out with some nail-biting moments. A full recap ahead. Plus, we're gearing up for our next regional final in New Jersey. Details coming up. Then week 13 of regional qualifiers continues in the Northeast, South Central, and North Central regions. Stick around for those results. Also, we have details on our next wildcard event at Flight Fest, Ohio. And of course, more on what is happening at I.O. Plus, MultiGP, join us for our next live stream debate. Let's tackle the hottest topic in drone racing, Spec Class. All this on MultiGP News. Let's get started. The second regional final in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics left many at the edge of their seats. Race drones took flight over the weekend at the hot and humid AMA field groomed by Rocket City RC in beautiful Huntsville, Alabama. A big thank you to the entire crew at Rocket City RC for all the hard work hosting our recent Southeast Finals. Thanks also to Team Black Sheep, Hobby Wing, Get FPV, and the Academy of Model Aeronautics, who helped make the MultiGP Regional Finals happen. Let's take a look. What a race in Sweet Home, Alabama. Pilots from all over the Southeast region gathered in hot and humid weather to compete for their chance to advance to the 2018 MultiGP Championship in Florida this December. The Southeast Final kicked off with a bang.
There goes the course.
An RC jet put on quite a show after crash landing during opening ceremonies. Saturday qualifying rounds kicked off.
Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Hyper onto lap 3 with a 36.1. There's Flykux with a 36.9. We're looking at like a 35 and change, I think, is our fastest lap on the track. Meanwhile, the fastest official lap is a 29.0, the fastest lap, and it was blazing. I mean, I don't think we're going to see a 29. I don't think even the rest of the season. Meanwhile, I think set that bar so high. And 4 laps, 2:30. Hyper now raising that bar again. So I don't know how it's going to see, but right now we're looking at, there is your top qualifier, Hyper FPV, still with that total of 12 laps, 7:44.
Sunday, the top 32 battled it out.
At Dreams, qualifying on the bubble, the number 32 spot with a total of 8. And we have our top qualifier, Hyper, a total of 12. 3 pilots did 12, and only 4 in the nation have so far. He's your fastest. Right now on this regional final course, he is the second fastest on that qualifying clock. Can lead over Sunny and Dreams and Machado. Those 3 in the battle for the number 2 spot, only separated by 1.9 seconds. That's Sunny, Dreams, and Machado. 2 seconds separating them after lap 1 through our AMA start-finish gate. High 2 races. You packed up your stuff and just left your quad over there. Yeah. Disappointed, but, I mean, you can't be disappointed. That was an epic race that you lost. You just missed the gate. It was 50-50.
I was 46 coming in, and I'm top 10, or 10th, 11th, top 12.
You're a contender. You're top 12 for sure.
I'm stoked, yeah.
There you are. So stoked he forgot his quad over there roasting.
Finally, it came down to the top 4 pilots remaining, and the final heat leaving many stunned.
Live on the tone in less than 5. Go Tone, quick start, and look at this. All 4 of them around that Team Black Sheep Tower. This is going to be a final throwdown, 1 for the books. Regional final number 2 over 2018 Regional Series presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics. Hyper FPV, your top qualifier. Loosey-goosey in the grass to see if he can take up, and if he does, he's going to be scary coming up from behind. It looks like Maker FPV is going to be your leader up from the launch to our DRL dive gate, and Flykux making the pass right before DRL. Those 2 around our stitch it up corkscrew section. Meanwhile, we got Droner running 3rd, and now we've already tapped out on Hyper FPV. Now it looks like we may have tapped out on Maker FPV. That's going to leave it down to Flykux and Droner here on the second last lap of the 2018 Southeast Regional Final. Flykux going through that back section and with a 2-gate lead right now over Droner. It was 3.8 seconds the last time they went through. Our Academy of Model Aeronautics start finish line. And we're getting ready to wave a white flag. 1 to go for Flykux. He's going to come in from our right to our left over our super hurdle. You can see who's chasing him. Still Droner. As Droner now goes onto that lead lap as well. He's got to find 4.6 seconds to our checkered line to see if he can get by Flykux. And now Droner's got another gear. He's now just 2 gates back. It was more. He's gaining a little bit of ground. Flykux going into our turbo wing slurtle section just as Droner comes out of the stitch it up on the backside. Let's go up high to the sky. Horizon over to DRL. Now 3 gates separating. Flykux ahead of Droner. Push it on home. Looks like the checkered flag is going to meet Flykux at the top of the gate. Flykux is your Southeast Regional Final champion. Your reserve champion, runner-up and second on our podium is Droner. 3 laps, a minute 48.
Chris Flykux Bevan took first with 3 laps in 1 minute and 43 seconds. Mason Hyper FPV Lively was surprisingly knocked out of the race. He was flying consistent throughout the entire competition, many cheering for the Florida pilot, including our very own Chris Thomas.
He gets the big LED trophy. He gets the F4 controller from Moto Labs, along with the challenge coin signed by our president, David Roberts of MultiGP.
Great job, pilots. Finalists go immediately in the Fast 56. Contenders compete at the next stage at Champs, and everyone else goes on the list and is ranked nationally. We've made the full list of regional final standings available for you. Just visit multigp.com for the latest regional series results. Northeast pilots, if you consider yourself in the top 100, then consider booking tickets to New Jersey. Coming up in 3 weeks, July 21st and 22nd, the next regional final will be hosted at the beautiful Laredo Winery in Egypt, New Jersey, at the permanent drone racing facility developed by a great MultiGP chapter, Safety Third Racing. The Northeast Regional Final will take place during the Red, White, and Blue and Bacon 2 Food Truck Festival. It will surely be a sight to see, so don't forget to bring the whole family. Make your hotel reservations now and book your room at one of our host hotels and take advantage of their discounted price. Visit our website at multigp.com for a full list of hotels. Pilots, if you're in the top 75, pack your bags and get ready for the regional final. Standby tickets are now on sale. Race with the fastest in your region, compete for podium awards, and much more. 7 qualifiers this weekend in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics. The qualifier in the South Central region saw Ivan Limon do the perfect 21 laps on his best 3 out of 5 to jump to the 2nd in the South Central and 15th in the national qualifier standings. Looking around the regions now, 108 pilots have done a lap or more on the qualifying course. In the North Central, we now have cutoff to exceed. Over 143 pilots have now done a lap or more in the qualifier course in the Northeast, while only 60 have completed a lap in the South Central region. The Spec Debate is coming. Mark your calendars and join us Monday, July 16th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as we discuss drone racing in with Spec Class, a popular topic in the drone racing community. The debate gives you a chance to interact in our live chat discussion with pilots like Brian Braindrain Morris, Zach A. Noob Thayer, Seth Freakin' FPV Elkin, and last year's Spec Racing champ at International Open, Thomas BMS Thomas Bidmata. That's Monday, July 16th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our MultiGP YouTube channel. MultiGP News, where drone racing comes first. Hey, have you made plans to visit the largest FPV event on the planet? The 2018 MultiGP International Open is shaping up to be the best ever. Everything is coming into place for 8 big tracks, 2 of them World Cup, with big races planned. We will have a central village with stage food trucks, family zone vendors, lights, and fun. Come to the rookie track for the over 40 race. And on the rookie track, we will also have a stock DJI Phantom race. At the rookie track, enjoy all-day open flying and racing in a judgment-free environment with helpful people around. Ask questions, hone your skills, or just hang out with friends. The fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down at I.O. Come out to the nighttime LED track and enjoy racing, a full LED race course. We recommend you fly with LEDs on your quad so others can see you racing. Tired of flying? Just come hang out and relax after a full day of flying. MultiGP invites you to Muncie, Indiana, the headquarters of the Academy of Model Aeronautics, for the 2018 MultiGP International Open. Visit multigp.com to purchase your tickets now. Tier 1 chapter organizers, don't miss out. Your ticket to the epic 2018 MultiGP International Open is free. Volunteers, your admission is free as well. Media ambassadors hanging with us full-time also get in free of charge, and part-time ambassadors get discounted tickets. Sign up today. The 2018 MultiGP International Open kicks off August 8th and runs through August 12th at the AMA headquarters in Muncie, Indiana. Hey everyone, Flight Fest Ohio is coming up soon. You gotta try to make it to this amazing event. The fun Flight Fest Ohio kicks off July 12th and runs through the 15th. Flight Fest Ohio is another event where one pilot will earn a wildcard ticket to advance directly to the championship. The family-oriented Flight Fest Ohio focuses on bringing RC aviation enthusiasts together for 4 days of fun-filled learning and adventure. Flight Fest Ohio is designed for everyone passionate about building and flying. Whether you're an RC beginner, an RC expert, the big event will have something for everyone. Activities include live music, family-centered activities held in the family tent, flight simulators, and a host of entertainment for everyone. Pilots can scratch, build a flyer with the help of well-known RC experts at the event, race their FPV wings or quads, join the combats, and socialize. Need more info? Visit our website at multigp.com and click on the Events tab. That's all the time we have for this week's news. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MultiGP and click on that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Manade, reporting for MultiGP News. See you next week.
If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.